In the summer months, Unico does an outstanding job of controlling the humidity by removing 30% more than a conventional system. And that's awesome, but how about winter? How can we control the humidity levels in the winter months using the Unico system? Humidity control is crucial to ensure comfort, but what about health and energy savings? According to the psychrometric chart, the average person is most comfortable at 75 degrees with 50% relative humidity. If we lower the humidity level, the air feels thinner and drafty. If we raise the humidity, we'll be more comfortable and can lower the temperature setting. For example, if the home's humidity level is 26% and you raise it to 50%, you can lower the thermostat setting 6 degrees. For every 4% increase in humidity, you can drop the temperature 1 degree by reducing the runtime and in turn saving money. In the winter months, the humidity level drops dramatically with the use of central heat and other heating sources such as fireplaces. This can lead to health and comfort issues such as chapped lips, dry skin and eyes, bloody noses, and static electricity. Dry air can lower your body's immune response. As it dries out, nasal cavities making airborne viruses and airborne bacteria transmission more likely. It also takes a toll on the health of your home, including your furniture, wood flooring, musical instruments, and the structure, causing mold, mildew, rotting, expansion, and contraction leading to warping, separation, and cracks. Air conditioners control the humidity in the summer, but winter brings on a new set of problems with low humidity. Humidifiers are the answer to these problems, but which are recommended and how are they installed? One option is a self-contained freestanding unit placed in each room, or you can set it in the same area as the return air duct and let the duct system disperse it from there. The best option is using a duct-mounted humidifier. There are a few things that must be considered beforehand. Unico operates at a higher static pressure, on average 1.5 inches of water column, but sometimes as high as 2 inches. The ductwork is smaller with reduced airflow. The main plenum may be a 10-inch round pipe, but in a lot of cases 9 or even 7-inch round pipe, and based on current capacities, it would be in the range of 250 CFM per ton for cooling or 20 to 25 CFM per 1,000 BTUs. For hot water coils especially, the airflow may be between 8 to 30 CFM per 1,000 BTUs, depending on the water temperature. Even though the amount of air is considerably lower than conventional, the velocity is much higher at 1,500 to 2,500 feet a minute. Bypass humidifier is not recommended due to bringing the supply air back across the coil, causing freezing or overheating situations, and it may not be able to handle the static pressure in the supply duct. So a power humidifier uses its own fan to introduce humidity from a wet pad into the duct system. It can be used on the return side of the system. Installing the supply side is not recommended due to the static pressure in the duct system again, unless the manufacturer allows installations in excess of 2 inches of water column. The Unico system is often installed in an unconditioned space such as an attic or crawl space, which may be subject to freezing. The steam humidifier is a great solution for these installations. Steam humidifiers deliver humidity by generating steam by energizing 2 electrodes that extend to a canister of water. Current flowing between the 2 electrodes causes the water to boil, creating steam. The steam is delivered into the airstream through a dispersion tube. With the nozzle of the dispersion tube entered into the return, the humidity is introduced evenly through the duct system and into the conditioned area. You can also mount the supply duct if it's adequate space and the manufacturer claims performance of at least 2 inches of water column. The smart control board has terminals to control the humidifier. On a call for humidity, the humidistat closes the humstat circuit which then causes the Hum VLV dry contacts to close to complete the control circuit of the humidifier. The fan will energize on high heat speed if the Hum speed selector switch is in the high position. If it's in the low position, it will run the same speed as G or fan. If it's in the cooling mode, the humidifier won't energize. Other than that, if the humidistat is calling for humidity, the humidifier will come on, the fan will come on, regardless of any kind of heat or fan call. As always, follow the manufacturer's instructions for compatibility and efficient, safe operation. For more information on the Unico system and how humidifiers can help, visit us at unicosystem.com and Unico University. I'm Jason Church, National Training Manager at Unico, and thanks for watching.